I have a lot of devices in the house that needs to be recharged. These are electric skateboard, electric scooter, one wheel, laptops. I'm told that if you leave them overnight, they're very bad for the batteries, and plus, your house can get on fire. So that's why I always needed something whereby the charger would automatically stop, cut off the electricity. Now, these exist before whereby you get the one that's on a timer, but it's 2020 and we need to be updated with more automation. Using Home Assistant, every time these smart plugs are plugged in, a timer starts, usually 4 hours. After the timer ends, it will cut off the electricity. So let's get started with this smart plug from Gosund. I flash it with test mode. I track the device in device tracker through my router. When the device tracker sees this smart plug being plugged in from not home to home, then it starts the timer. The timer for this is 4 hours. You can set it to whatever you want, but 4 hours is pretty good for most of my devices. Once the timer ends, the electricity will be turned off as mentioned before. I hope this helps everyone. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section.